Welcome to the Anaconda installation for Windows. If you're using a Mac, you can feel free to skip this video as you would have already installed Anaconda in the previous video. If you're using a Windows computer and you don't have Anaconda installed, let's get to it. We will go to anaconda.com/download and we'll use Anaconda to install Python and many other packages which we will make use of in this course. Since you're using Windows, navigate to the Windows section, and we're going to install Python 3, not Python 2. Since Python 2 is no longer being updated, it's important that you download the latest version, which is Python 3. If you are using a Windows computer that's relatively modern, you will want to choose the 64-bit graphical installer and start your installation. Pause the video until your download is finished, and once your download is finished, click Next, Agree. We'll leave it as the recommended option. We'll leave the destination folder the way it is. If there's a space in your username, make sure to remove it. It's really important that you do. Hit Next. And now we get two options. One of them being to add Anaconda to the path environment variable. This is not recommended if you by any chance already had Python installed, let's say from python.org, then I would recommend checking this box. Otherwise, you should be fine to just leave it unticked and press install. And we'll just wait till the installation is complete. Make sure to pause the video until you have finished the installation. Now that we're done the installation, we will launch the Anaconda prompt by going to the Start menu and finding it as such. Alright, now a very important note is that throughout the course, I will be using a Mac, not a PC. So whenever I open up my terminal, you should open up your Anaconda prompt. And now to ensure a successful installation, we will write the command conda list. And this might take some time to run, but once it does, what that will do is simply list a bunch of installed packages, which should appear in case of a successful installation. And indeed, that's what occurs. A Python version should also show up if you type python --version, and I get the Python 3 version. That is all, guys. So far, so good. If you have any issues with the installation, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section.